At first glance, the latest BRX5 may seem just like another iteration to Bell & Ross's illustrious BR5 collection, with its iconic circle within a square design and aviation-inspired dial. A closer look, however, reveals distinct designs and a hidden innovation that is creating a stir in the haute horlogerie circles. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box, so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Bell & Ross, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Join us for an in-depth exploration of what sets the BRX5 apart from its siblings and discover why, despite its modifications, it remains true to the design philosophy laid out by Bell & Ross founders Bruno Bellamiche and Carlos Rosillo over 30 years ago. As an authorized retailer of Bell & Ross, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large selection of their latest models, including the BRX5. Explore these timepieces at one of our boutiques in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world at Bahnhofstrasse, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Thanks to the founders' obsession with aviation cockpit instrumentations, Bell & Ross has developed a recognizable look that collectors admire. A quick glance at any of their timepieces confirms its origin as a Bell & Ross creation. However, these watches offer far more than just distinctive aesthetics. They are also functional and durable, mirroring the reliability of the instruments that inspire them. Driven by its commitment to both style and functionality, the Maison introduced a BR5 collection in 2019. This collection aimed to meet the timing needs of urban explorers while complementing their sense of style. Now, with the BRX5, Bell & Ross continues to embrace the emblematic circle within a square geometric design, but have also added several twists that not only rejuvenate the collection's overall aesthetic, but also enhance its functionality. The first notable difference in the BRX5 is the absence of Arabic numerals on the dial. While the BR0 prioritized legibility with larger numbers, the BRX5 takes a more subtle approach with stick indices. However, these indices are still coated with superluminova, ensuring optimal readability in low light conditions. The outcome is an elegant appearance that doesn't compromise functionality. The date window remains at 3 o'clock, but the BRX5 version features an enlarged aperture capable of displaying a 3-day span. Additionally, a circular power reserve indicator is positioned at the 9 o'clock position, rounding up the major modifications. The BRX5's dial is available in two color options, black and ice blue. The classic black dial features red accents on the reserve indicator and dial markings, while the ice blue dial creates a visually striking appeal that captures the adventurous spirit of urban explorers. The BRX5 showcases a 41mm satin-finished and polished steel case with a thickness of 12.8mm. Unlike the rest of the pieces in the BR5 collection, the BRX5 is slightly larger and has a more robust appearance. However, despite its thicker profile, the BRX5 sits comfortably on the wrist and easily fits under standard cuffs. It features a screw-down crown adorned with the brand's ampersand logo and is equipped with a sapphire crystal that has anti-reflective coating. The case back of the BRX5 is also fitted with a sapphire crystal, allowing you to admire the captivating movement of the skeletonized oscillating weight. The most significant change made to this BR5 iteration is in the movement. Powering this BRX5 timepiece is the caliber BR-Cal 323, a movement designed by Bell & Ross in collaboration with Kenissi. Bell & Ross now joins the ranks of other prestigious brands such as Tudor, Breitling, Chanel, and Tag Heuer in utilizing movements manufactured by this Geneva-based company. This new self-winding movement is COSC certified and boasts 28 jewels, as well as a variable inertia balance wheel. Operating at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, it provides an extended power reserve of up to 70 hours. Additionally, it is equipped with a rapid date correction feature that allows for easy adjustment of the date without disrupting the timekeeping mechanism. The BRX5 comes with an open-worked black rubber or ice blue rubber strap to match your preferred dialer colorway, or with a polished steel strap that complements the case material. Additionally, it offers the option of both the steel and rubber straps equipped with a satin-finished and polished steel folding buckle. The Bell & Ross BRX5 is priced starting at 6,900 Swiss francs. The timepiece harnesses the brand's aviation heritage and builds up on their BR5 collection with a bold aesthetic that exudes sophistication and adventure. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have the BRX5 black steel and ice blue steel watches from Bell & Ross available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. What are your thoughts on the iterations made to the BRX5? Are you a fan of the larger and more robust profile? And do you think the new Kenissi movement will find its way to more Bell & Ross watches? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Bell & Ross for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you straight away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.